Hello everyone. Our topic for today in our is about the analysis of earthquake. Basically, we are going to be considering the latitude, longitude, magnitude, and other values for doing the analysis on earthquake. Let us see the packages we have installed. Let us have a look at the first package which we have used is a ggplot2. Basically, it creates a new ggplot. It analyzes a ggplot object and it can be used to declare the input data frame for a graphic and to specify the set of plot aesthetics. The next package is on plier. Plier is basically the split apply combine paradigm for R. The plier package is set of clean and consistent tools that implement the split apply combine pattern in R. This is an extremely common pattern in data analytics. You solve a complex problem by breaking it down into small pieces, doing something to each piece and then combining the result back together again. So the next package is psych. Let us have a look like what is psych. The psych package is a package for personality, psychometric and psychological research. The psych package has actually been developed to include the functions mostly used for personality and psychological research. Some of the functions are example like read file, read clipboard, describe, pairs, panel, error dot bars, etc. Here we have called the library of ggplot and plier and psych. The next is importing the data set and examining it. We have used a data set of around around 528 observations. Let us have a look at the data set. This is my data set and includes variables such as the date, time, latitude, longitude, depth, magnitude, etc. If we see the first observation, it is about the earthquake which has occurred on a date of 1/02/1965 at a time of 13:44:18, and the latitude was this, the longitude was this. We have the data of actually like the earthquake which has occurred at a particular location. Let's get back to our code. I have used summary in this data set. Let's take a look at a summary of the data set. Here is the summary. It is the median, mean, and else about the values of the data set. Next is pre-processing the data. I have used this for pre-processing the data. What does this HDR package does is it compactly displays the structure of an arbitrary R object. Let us have a look at that. It basically tells us like the variable is about a character or a number or a factor. Uh, so we can have a look at that. Let's move on. I have created a table of latitude and longitude, and again I have created a table named as table 2 for depth and magnitude. Next is about plotting. This is a box plot of latitude and longitude. Let us have a look at that. Yeah. Here is the box plot of latitude and longitude. As we can see here, it is a box plot of comparing the latitude and longitude. The next is we are comparing the depth. Let's move on to histograms. Here is a histogram of magnitude. Yeah. On the left hand side we have the frequency on the x-axis, and on the y-axis we have the magnitude, and here is the histogram of that. The next is of latitude. Here is the left on the left hand side on the x-axis we have the frequency, on the y-axis we have the latitude, and here is the histogram of earthquake stat6. The next is on the x-axis we have the frequency, and on the y-axis we have the longitude. So it varies from minus 200 to 200, and here is the histogram. So next is the scatter plot. So here is a scatter plot of latitude and longitude. So on the x-axis we are considering longitude, and on the y-axis we are considering latitude. So here is a next scatter plot. So here we are considering depth and longitude. So on the left hand axis, on the x-axis we have the longitude, and on the y-axis we have the depth. And here we have the depth versus long versus latitude. So the next is about t-tests. So what basically t-test does is performs a so it performs one or two sample t-test on vectors of data. So a t-test is any statistical hypothesis test in which the test statistics allows following student distribution. So a t-test is a type of inferential statistics used to determine if there is significant difference between the means of two groups, which may be related in certain features. So a t-test is one of many tests used for the purpose of hypothesis testing in statistics. So let us look have a first data set, the first set which where I have compared the latitude and longitude. So here is the result. So here we can see the mean of x, the mean of y. These are sample estimates, and the data which we have used is a latitude and longitude. So we can see the t, the data frame, the p-value, and else. So Let us look at the depth and longitude. So here is the sample estimates of mean of x and mean of y. The t value, the data frame, the p value. Let us look the magnitude and latitude. So moving on to the next is a regression model. So you have created a regression model between depth and magnitude. So this basically builds a linear regression model on the full data. So let's have a look on that. So here it is. The coefficients are this: the intercept, the magnitude. It's 92.475, and the magnitude we are getting is 2 minus 2.304. So let's have a look at the summary also. So here is a summary of the linear mode. So this is the formula we are using. These are the residuals. These are the coefficients like the intercept and the magnitude. So these are the error and the t value which we are getting. So the residual standard error and the statistics. So that's it for the analysis on earthquake. Thank you.